Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna have 4 different Valentine's Day designs, nice and easy. It's a DIY really. There's some stamping happening and some extras that I'm gonna go through with you step by step. So I'm covering all my nails with white, and then I'll come along with some really beautiful pastel colors you'll see in a minute. But I have some news soon. We'll know the date for sure, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be between 15th and 16th of February. I'm going to do a collaboration with a beautiful lady. Her details are coming on the screen right now. She's amazing. Her art is amazing, and she you know what, just check her channel out. She's great. She is really great. So yes, we're gonna do a collab together, and hopefully not hopefully, but I'll keep you posted as to when and what is going to be about. So keep watching my Instagram stories, and I'm sure to let you know. So these are the colors I'm using. I'm just sparingly spreading them all over, and then I'm coming with the makeup sponge and flappering them about. You'll see in a minute. Nice and easy. Anybody can do this. So if you want to do your nails at home, or you've got no choice but to do your nails at home, this is going to be great. Yeah, so you take the colors, just put them on the nail, and then come in with that sponge looking thing and just dub. And that's it. That's how it is. Done. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it, and hopefully I keep you entertained with all these videos. If you have any videos you'd like to watch, let me know down in the comments, and I'll definitely get that done for you. Right, so I'm just literally doing the same step, just changing the color patterns here and there. But it's the same for all of them except one where I only do it halfway, which was the one that just passed. Not halfway, but I leave some empty matte, no color on. Right. Okay, so we are almost done with this, and I'm coming in with my no wipe matte top coat, going in on all of them. I don't know why I decided to do them all matte, but it came out very nice. And then I decided on one nail at the end, right at the end, to do it shiny. So don't judge me, I change my mind a lot. Okay, so that's it. I'm doing them all matte at the moment. I thought of doing matte just to design on this one, but then I changed my mind and I said, you know what, let me do that empty bit as well. I'll do it matte because I want to add some crystals onto that edge. And yeah, crystals look pretty shiny on matte. I love crystals on matte top coat. Okay, now these are my stamping polishes from Born Pretty, and I'm using this palette. I'm going to use that heart. Well, actually, oh yeah, I showed you the black color. I'm not using black color. I changed my mind as well. Yeah, and over there I've got this nice pretty pattern that I'm going to use from there too. That's my stamper. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going with gold, and I'm just picking out a pattern from that, grabbing it and putting it on the nail. That's the one. You see it? That's the one. Okay, so that's all done. I'm happy with that. Now I'm showing you that I'm going to use 2 different bits from that palette. So I'm going to use that square butterfly flower, which is this one here, like 2 squares, couple of lines, dots and everything. And I really like that pattern. So I'm adding that over there. I think this is the only nail that is it. I've left it as it was. I haven't done anything else to it. I just left it like that. And then I'm doing the heart on another nail and a couple of dots, which you'll see later. Some of the heart bit didn't come off at the same time, so I've just literally aligned it again and put it back, and it was perfectly fine. Now I'm doing those dots that you see there. That's it. But the thing is, what I did is I stayed a little bit too long trying to take some of the parts off it. So what you ended up doing, it got dry while being on the stamper. So what I did is I've done a couple of dots here, a couple of dots there, and that was it. You know, I just left it like that. And this is some nice white dots I done on the other nail. So, right, this is from EMI gel polishes. These ones work perfect with foils. So I started to go over the patterns that I created with the stamper. I'm just going over them with those, and then using the foil to sort of give that shiny effect to it. To be honest, the foil didn't work as I pleased, but you know, some of it came on it, so I'm happy with it, I suppose. But yeah, didn't want to do what I wanted it to. Yeah, so this is the flower pattern that I'm just going over the stamper. It's nice and easy. The gold is very pretty on its own. I really wanted it with that gold foil though. I think it would have looked so much better, but it is what it is, and still it came out pretty nice. I'll let you watch for now, and I'll come back with the next one. Okay, so I'm just going to pop that in the lamp as it is. I'm happy with that. I'm grabbing my other nail with the white dots, and I'm using this tiny dotting tool to go over or next to the white dots. I'm going with the gold dots, and I think, yeah, I'm leaving this as it is, to be honest. I liked it. I didn't want it too packed, so easy peasy, just do your dots and you're done, and it looks really nice. It actually looks really nice on an actual nail. Okay, so coming back to this one, this is where I do my foil. I am struggling a little bit. It doesn't come out in all places, but you know what, as I said, it is what it is. Now going to the heart, I'm doing the dots with red gel polish from EMI. Very nice products. I love those products. So I'm literally only doing the dots with it. I'm not touching the heart because I want the heart to be matte and I want the dots to shine, and of course I wanted to use the foil on it as well, which I did, and it did come out, but not as much as I wanted it to. Okay, so I'm curing that, apparently. That went fast. Okay. I'm just showing you the outcome so far. So these are the results that are right now. Oh, okay, I'm going back to this one now. See, I was showing you on the foil that it did come out, but it's just not showing as much as I wanted it to. So I added a little bit of extra touch, which is this one right here. I actually think this made a big difference to me. It wasn't too much. It wasn't an excess of designs and all. I think it was a perfect thing that I did. I don't know. It really matched. So I'm curing that, and that is it with that nail. Now I'm going in with my nail glue, crystal glue, and I'm adding it on that edge between the matte and the design. I want to add my crystals on. Let me know what you guys think of this. If you want to see more designs using stamping plates, or do you want to see one of my own paintings, any more animated designs you'd want to see, or different color effects, I'm all for it, absolutely. Okay, so I'm just literally aligning them, making sure they're in the middle and looking good. Once that's done, I'm curing that in the lamp for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. Going back to my matte top coats because there's some shiny lines because of the nail glue. And this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like this video, check out my other ones. If there's anything that you'd like to see in the future, leave me a comment below. I will definitely get to do it. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.